GM, good afternoon from wherever you are. It's your boy Sham. So today I want to talk about stables and what it be stables. For example, before I go further, if you know about cryptocurrency, you know about Bitcoin, and say if you buy Bitcoin today for like maybe 100,000 naira, in the next few months, if you go up, maybe go to 120, 30, or 40, or 50, it depends on how the market they move. And if the market fall tomorrow, that your money will drop, even chop that your profit, when you don't make that small profit, come chop for your money, that 100k where you put, fit turn to maybe like 50k. So it is very volatile, no good for day-to-day business. That is why stables they very better if you want they do day-to-day business for crypto. Not they say you want to do long-term investment. So today I want to talk about there are many stables. We have the US dollars, the Tether, and many other. But today I want to talk about cNG, that is Naira on the blockchain. Number one, wetin make am dey very precious and unique be say it is backed by Naira, means one cNG now 1 Naira. So it is equivalent to Naira. So that means if you buy am, it will remain that amount forever. Except not just value, but it will remain that amount forever. It no go fall. Even the next 6 months, if na 100 cNG you buy, it will remain that 100,000 naira forever. It no go fall in value. And then number two, it is government backed. CBN plus Nigerian Security and Exchange Commission don't scrutinize these guys and these corporate institutions wey create this cNG. And then number two, be eNaira. For some of them, they very enlightened. This will be eNaira. It is different from eNaira. eNaira is issued by the central bank. It's being controlled. It's not decentralized. But you see, cNG is decentralized. It's not owned by the government body. They say government don't did those guys, so they no go wrong with you that body. And then you go ask me, what will be the use of this cNG? Since they volatile now, why I go buy them? The first reason they say, number one, if you want to send money abroad, for example, now sending money that those days they very hard. You go need use union banking, or you go need use bureau de change guys, or you go feel fine as a man. Make they move you, and they go charge you plenty money if you want collect money for abroad. That be you want move money go abroad. But for now with cNG, you fit collect your money in Naira from anywhere in the world, no limitation. Once you get the device you go use collect, which I will talk am later. So number one, that means you go fit send money to your pikin, to your wife, to your children. Your father when they abroad will fit send you money with ease using cNG. That is in Naira from any part of this world. You go send the equivalent amount and you go send them come. Number two, people only get bank account and you dey remote area, you go fit they use cNG for your transaction. For my able brothers wey dey into business, and you want they pay for China, you no need to go switch your money to dollar, or you need to follow all those stress. Just get wallets where they use cNG, and then you go fit move your money in your Naira, move and go to China and come back. You don't need to follow all those stress. And then number four, they say you go fit use they do transfer. Say all this money for go test they charge you. Now like end of the month they go charge like 400 naira. But if they use cNG, highest now 1 naira, 2 naira, you go charge for some transaction. They know they charge plenty, they very small. No hidden charges apart from all those like order bank or like for you. Then number four, you go fit use and get yield. Yield be say if you keep this money with them, they go use and do business. And when they use and do business, they go they're not going to do business, sorry. If you stake this money with them, they will keep them and then they will give you profit from the money. That means if they do like people they do adashi, for example, instead of mona gather that money, just they keep them. If you keep that money on inside cNG for one of their wallets, you will feel stake them. That is like you will save them, lock them for there. Then they will give you profit. That is yield. That means your money working for you. And then some people go ask how this thing take this safe. Why I go put my money? All these guys, it no be like MMM. No, it's not MMM. It's very transparent. It's on blockchain. That means you go feel know everything where they happen. You don't need to watch news. No. You go Explorer, you will see everything. Go their website, you will see everything. The money where if they move money, they don't need to make announcement. You will know when money they move. You will feel monitor now on chain. It is back. The money they save for bank for physical bank apart from digitally online. And number two, Security and Exchange Commission don't scrutinize these guys. They get their details. They don't scrutinize them and not be individual now corporate institution, private banks. So it is very big. So imagine you think say banks want scam you. No, it is very big. So these are things we don't make am very, 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 very safe. So today I dey invite you to use cng, and you go ask me say where I wan get this cng, guy. I don hear about am. Where I wan get am? Me, place I go recommend for you na Zen Finance app. Just go to Play Store, type Zen Finance app. Once you create am, if you wan tell me thank you, they go ask you who refer you. Just say write like Shams, LIGHTSHAMZ. Just write as person wey refer you. If you just download the Zen Finance app, I go soon make video on how to use am. So if you wan learn about am, you go fit download the app, then wait for my next video, which will be dropping very soon. So ensure you use cng and make life more easier for you. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next video.